So hey guys, it's KB here and you are watching KB Editing Zone. So today in this video we are going to create a text animation in Alightmotion using 360-degree reorient sphere effect and move and transform effect in Alightmotion. So without any delay, let's get started. So now open your Alightmotion application and create a new project. So I am choosing 1:1 ratio. So after that, go to the plus option and add a text layer. So now customize your text, so choose the color and font for your text. So after that I will create a duplicate of this text layer. So now I will edit the text layer and create another text. So after that, go to the starting and go to the plus option and add a shape. So after that, go to the move and transform option and the third option and adjust the shape. So after that, go to the color and fill and choose black color. So now bring this text to the front. So after that, you can create a duplicate of this shape and add it in other text layer. So now select and hold the first shape layer and a text and group this layer. So similarly, you can bring the second text layer to the front and you can also group this layer. So we have two group 1 and group 2. So select group 1 and go to effect option and add effect. So you can find the distortion and warp section. So go to that and you can find the effect on the first. So add this effect. So after, let's adjust some settings. So go to rotation and make a 30-degree value on X. So now you can add a key. So after that, send this key to the last. So now add another key at the starting and make an X value of 0. So now send this to the front or starting of the text layer. So after that, go to the middle section and go to this curve option and select the second curve and make a curve like this. So now select the layer and go to the move and transform option and go to the second option on the right. So now add a key at the starting. Then you can go to the in and add another key. So at this position you have to make an angle of -90 degree. So after that, you can go to the middle section and go to the curve and adjust the curve same as before. So you can also copy and paste the previous curve if you want. So now let's adjust group 2. So in this group we have to do the reverse setting of the group 1. So select the group and go to effect and add effect. So add this 360 reorient sphere effect. So now go to rotation and add a key. So here you have to make an X value of -30. So now you can place this to the front. So after that, go to the end section and add another key. So here you have to make 0. So now send this key to the last section. So now go to the middle and curve option and go to the third curve and adjust the curve like this. So you can go to thread and copy this curve. So after that, select the text and go to move and transform option and go to the second option on the right and add a key. So here you have to make an angle of +90 degree. So now you can add another key and make an angle of 0 degree. So now send this key to the last. So after that, go to the curve option and go to the third curve and you can paste the curve that you copied before. So now our animation is ready. So let's adjust these two groups properly. So you have to adjust this both group properly to create a nice effect. So let's see the preview. So in this way you can easily create a text animation in Alightmotion. And if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to learn more Alightmotion related editing, so you can check the playlist on the right. So thank you for watching.